everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a fantastic day so far. I hope that wherever you are in the world, today has been treating you well. In today's video, as you can see from the title down below, I am very excited. The Cosmic Beauty mystery box arrived on my doorstep today and I am so excited to get into this. I know that there is an eyeshadow palette because that's like literally all that we were told. There was going to be an eyeshadow palette in here, but everything else I have got absolutely no idea. I'm hopeful. What I would like there to be in here, I would like there to be blush, a highlight could be cute, maybe some lip sticks or lip glosses, something like that, and maybe even like liquid liner. Maybe even like liquid eyeshadow that is like a chrome finish or something that's a little bit different, like a glittery liner or liquid eyeshadow, something like that. That is what I'm hoping for. So we're just going to get into it today. I will quickly just skip over the fact that it looks like I have third-degree burns on my hands. No, it's not a skin-eating bacteria, it is just stress. There will be more on that in an upcoming video, but I'm just going to get into the box today. I'm not going to be trying anything on today. I'm just diving in and then the try on will come at a later date when my skin is cleared up and I can swatch things properly. But let's get my little scissors and let's get into the box. Okay, so if I just scoot back a little, can we do this? Ooh. Of course. It's incredibly well packaged. Who thought it wouldn't be? Oh, I forgot it was coming in. I forgot it was coming in this fancy new packaging. Okay, right. Chuck that on the floor. I remember seeing this now. Okay, cosmic brushes. Look at this. I know I should not be getting excited about the box. Oh, and it says Cosmic Beauty, because I never know if I should be saying cosmic brushes or cosmic beauty. I guess now I'm going to say cosmic beauty. Right, let's open this up. Whoop. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I'm speechless. That is fancy. Okay, Velvet Matte Lipstick. We've got three Velvet Matte lipsticks and 3 blush butters. Cream blush and a 20 colour eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna leave the eyeshadow palette for last. Let's start with the lipsticks. Let's start with these. I am so impressed with this packaging. Like the layout of this packaging is incredible. I'm trying to do this whilst like balancing it on my knee. And there's also a very big cup of tea to the side of me. So let's start with the lipsticks. So these are the Cosmic Beauty Velvet Matte Lipstick. Ultra creamy, velvety, smooth formula. Okay. Our velvet matte lipstick formula is ultra creamy and velvety soft, a non-drying matte finish that leaves your lips feeling comfortably smooth. Well, isn't that what we all want? If one of these is a red, I'm going to lose my mind. Just putting it out there. What? Okay. Firstly, packaging, 10 out of 10. That is beautiful packaging. But look at that colour, like vampy. She is. So that is magnetic. That was the shade Nancy. Then we have got Clarice, the nudist nude Like, that is just going to be the most incredible concealer lips on me, and I am so here for that. So we've got like a vampy plummy black, the lightest nude, and then this one is Salem. Is Salem going to be a red? Ooh, no, it's like a toasty brown, like an orangey brown. That looks beautiful though. I can get on board with that. These smell lovely. They smell very much like they're reminding me of a lipstick that I've smelled before. I don't know if it's like L'Oreal or something like that. It's sort of sweet and vanilla-y. I like it. I like it. So, they're the 3 lipsticks. Very interested to try those. Let me put these somewhere safe. Like, not on the floor. Honestly. So, now let's get the blush. I am a blush girly, okay? So, again, very interested. I also love a cream blush. So, oh, I can't. One moment. Okay, so the 3 cream blushes. We have got Chills. So this is the outer packaging for the cream blushes. Ooh, and it matches the lipsticks. Please do not judge how dirty my table is. Look at all of the lights that I have on. It's nighttime. Can you see? Nighttime outside. So, what did I say this one was? Does it say? Really? Does it say inside? Ooh. That colour's a bit of me. But why does it not say on the back? Am I being really, really stupid? Don't answer that. Don't answer that. So it says on here, got chills, but it doesn't say on this what the shade is. Okay, that is mildly annoying, but I can get over that. So then we have got Heroin. I don't know how I feel about that. For the right person, absolutely. For the right person. Is that person me? I mean, it matches my nails. But is that person me? I fear that a shade like this will just look like a bruise. Lovely colour. Love to see the innovation in like doing something different, but I was not expecting that. Then the last one is Dazed, which is, oh, pretty. Very, very pretty. I can get on board with that one as well, like a toasty, not a million miles from the colour of my hair, toasty warm red. That for autumn winter, and then the bright pink one for spring summer, and the purple for an occasion, maybe. So now we've just got the eyeshadow palette, the last product in the box, the Sinister 20 colour palette. I don't know what I'm going to do with that box. I'm going to have to do something with it though, because there is not a chance I'm throwing that away. That is a phenomenal piece of work just for a box. So, the 20 colour palette. Palette for eye and face. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I've been waiting for this for so long. I mean, it was on a pre-order, and then obviously you've got to wait for it to come because it's pre-order. Oh my goodness. What is that? I mean that in a good way. Very aware that I just looked at a palette and said, what is that? But what is that? Tell me what that is. That colour story is beautiful. But what does that mean? What does that mean? So that's the shade Ghost. It's a cream eyeshadow. Is it clear? I have so many questions. So many questions. I feel like I need to... So do I have to... Sentences, Millie. Do I have to keep this little thing over it? How do I get that off? How do I get into it? All the questions. Okay, so I'm guessing you don't have to keep this little bit of plastic, but in getting that bit of plastic off, I have had to just scratch the bottom of it, which isn't really what I wanted to be doing with a brand new... I want to see what this is clear. Like just a completely clear eyeshadow, but it's not. It is just... I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. That just feels like Vaseline. Is that gonna... That's not gonna dry down. I'm confused. I'm very confused. I don't know what to make of that. Truly. I don't. Oh, and now like I'm wiping that with a bit of tissue and it's... Oh, no. Don't know how I feel about that. Don't know how I feel about that on my eyeballs. Yeah, but I will say pinks and purples, that looks like the most incredible red, like very, very pigmented red, but I also love that there's purples in there and that it's not just a completely cool toned palette. I was slightly concerned that this was just going to be like a grey toned palette with a pop of red from like the packaging and like the pictures that they were putting out and everything, but it's not. It's so much more than that. Some of these duochromes look incredible. Okay, I'm very, very excited. Like I say, I don't know when I'm gonna get into it. I promise I'll try and get it up soon. The problem is I don't want to do swatches on my hands when I look like this, because how do I show you the texture of eyeshadows when my skin's not even wanting to live on my body? But I will come up with something. I will figure something out. Phil did offer his hand. Offer his hand. We're already married. Phil did offer his arm. Well, like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. So let's just wait and see. This was just an unboxing. I'm gonna get into all of the products very, very soon. I'm very excited about this eyeshadow palette. And I'm very excited about those blushes as well. The lipsticks, I like the look of the lipsticks, but I'm gonna have to try them. I'm gonna have to try everything, of course. But first impressions, I am thrilled with the eyeshadow palette. I'm very, very excited to dive into that one. I am the biggest fan of purple. She says with every shade of green on her eyeballs. I'm a big, big fan of purple. Pinks, not so much, but I like the idea of using the pinks and the greys together. That could be cute. Either way, if you want to see a swatching video trying all of this stuff on, I promise it will be coming as soon as possible. But if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, you want to see me trying all of these things on, and I also have a whole playlist just for trying out all of the Cosmic Brushes eyeshadow palettes. I recently got Muse and I'm just in love with that one as well. So there's loads of content around like Cosmic Beauty, now that I know it's beauty, Cosmic Beauty eyeshadow palettes, all of it. I've got all of the content around it, so if you want to see more, I will leave my Cosmic playlist in the description box down below. But until next time, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.